Hey, what is up guys? It's Jason here. It is May 31st of 2022. It's really hot out. It's almost summer. It's not officially summer yet. It's still spring. We're getting some of that summer vibes outside right now and I'm sweating really badly. Let's cut to the chase. We have another unboxing video. I have another bunch of old videos that I have to edit, but I've been kind of lazy. Been playing a little bit of Roblox, doing some stuff here and there, working a lot, tutoring a lot. You know the deal. Very busy guy. Yes, that's me, Mr. Busy. We're going to go right into that package. So this package is a little bit smaller. If you can see in front of, I think this thingamajig, it is from Gray Shop. I ordered from Gray Shop again. I will be ordering more stuff from there simply just because their site has a lot of cheaper stuff, unlike what you would normally see on other types of websites, even including Americana Pipe Dream. I know Logan, the owner of the website and the store, he's dropping a lot of newer stuff. It's a bit out of my price range right now, and I'm just kind of working around a budget. So that's why I decided I'm going to work on my Russian stuff first. So this is from Gray Shop. It is a Russian military surplus website. Also doubles as a airsoft website. This is a great place to go to if you want to order some airsoft stuff, which is great for airsoft. But let's just get right into it. I'm going to make this super fast if I can, if I don't ramble on too long. Yeah, so this is a bit of a smaller package, so we don't have to worry about too much going on here. That was easy. Yeah, it's in this little envelope thingamajig. First thing we have in order, badges, which is something that I need for my summer VKBO jacket that I ordered way back. That video will be up whenever I get through some of the older videos, but that will be up soon. These are official Russian military patches, except for maybe this one. This one might be more of a morale patch, but other than that, most of these are official patches. There really isn't too much to it. Actually, you know what? This one is a simple morale patch. It's simply a communist flag. You know that I'm a leftist. This is pretty great for me. We have our another patch. This is supposed to say, you know, Russian army. Pretty simple. I had it in green, so that way it would look a little bit more inconspicuous. We have this one. This one's a really big one. This goes on the sleeves, rather it'll be, you know, left or right, doesn't matter. This one is the official Russian emblem. We got the Russian flag, not much else to it. It's in a tricolor against a green background. I ordered it in green so that way it wouldn't stick out as much. And then we have some official infantry patches. Yeah, so these are infantry patches. These go on the collar. I'm not going to put it on camera because that would take up too much of my time, and this camera looks like it's about ready to blow. And we have another one. That's pretty straightforward. Those are the patches. I wish there was one more of these, so that means I just got to order another patch. It is what it is. Moving on, we have a pair of camouflage boxers. There really isn't much to it other than it's in digital flora, also known as EMR camouflage. Figured I need to have some more boxers. Not much else there is to it. The last thing we have, very simple. We have a pair of tank tops, also in digital flora / EMR / goose pack. Again, not much else there is to it. I think the only exciting thing here was the patches. I thought they were pretty cool, pretty nice. Gonna put it on my VKBO jacket. That's it to this video. I'm going to end it here because my computer is really old and it looks like it's ready to bust, so I don't want to be here for too long. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Comment what you think about the official Russian patches. Yes, they are official. I've looked up numerous pictures of the Russian military. They also have these patches as well, but they have it in the not green background, but more of like your standard background. We got the patches, we got some boxers, and we also have some tank tops, which I might end up ordering like 3 or 4 more of those things because I definitely need more. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully I can get some of the older videos up soon, but you never know with me. I'm very inconsistent when it comes to uploading. Sorry, it is what it is. You subscribe to this channel, you get what you get. Bye!